How to share Instagram Reels as post on X. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily share your Instagram Reels as posts on X. This is a great way to reach a wider audience and showcase your creative content to your X followers. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest versions of both the Instagram and X apps installed on your phone. Also, ensure you're logged into your X account. Now open the Instagram app on your device. Find the reel you want to share. Under the reel, you'll see an envelope icon. Tap on it. In the options that appear at the bottom, look for the X or Twitter platform logo. Tap on the X logo. A pop-up window will appear asking you to open the X app. The link to your Instagram reel will be automatically added to your X post, along with your Instagram username. Here, you can add a title or any other desired text to your X post. Tap on Post button at the top right corner to proceed. And that's it, you've successfully shared your Instagram reel as a post on X. Now your X followers can easily view and engage with your content directly on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.